Has anyone else seen a grinder like this, a coffee grinder? I've looked around online and never seen anything quite like it. Unlike most which have a handle at the top which goes horizontally, this has a vertical handle, like a jack-in-the-box. Inside is a spiral which pushes the beans against the plate, which scrunches them up and puts them into the hopper at the bottom, which is made of, I guess, pressed or beaten aluminium. I think there are screws here, which makes me think it could maybe be homemade. I don't know. And there's an adjuster here. You pull this bit out, which enables you to unscrew or screw up this ring here, and that controls how far forward or back the spiral is, which I guess controls the gap where the beans are scrunched up, and hence controls the size of each grain. I've added this piece of wood on the bottom myself, just to make it easier to put my knee on that, put it on the ground and turn the handle without the whole thing wobbling all over the place. But I think it's easier to keep in one position than the ones with the handle on the top, which just wobble around horizontally, which is a real pain. I use this every day to make coffee for myself and my partner. I have decaf, she has caffeinated, so we have separate beans. But let's show you it in action a little bit. Let's tip in a few beans. I'll leave the lid off just so you can see it. Not going to be able to keep this still, am I? But hopefully you can see the beans are scrunching up. And I'll show you what I get out of the bottom. So there's our ground beans. That's on just about its finest setting. I'm quite tempted to get myself an electric one, because when I'm doing bulk amounts of coffee, if I'm going away camping or something, then this is a bit of a pain to use.